In this video we're going to show you how to remove the centre display screen on a Renault Clio Mark III. So the tool you need for the job is just a flat trim removal tool. Starting at the front corner here, just get it in a little gap and pop that up. And same on the other side. And once that's up, there's some more tabs on either side, about there, and the screen wants to come basically straight up towards the windscreen. And pull that out. There's a cable on the back there, and a couple of plugs. So just push the tab in the middle of your finger and pull out. And the same on that one. And that's the screen removed.